Welcome to your channel Rayofhope, and this is going to be another class for our web application penetration testing. Today we are going to cover DOM based XSS, where there a DOM based XSS happens when a user search something in so-called location.search and it get executed in a thing called anchor.href, right? And this vulnerability exists in the submit feedback page, right? Where there using jQuery library we will execute it and we'll try to see if we are able to perform the lab or not or get it out. Now this is how the functionality looks like, right? And we don't have any back button over here. If you look over here, to solve the lab, make the back button link alert document.cookie. So how we gonna make it happen? As this is a DOM based XSS, right? And I have been telling you two things. That DOM based XSS always happen only if you have source and sink both at a time. So if I go ahead and inspect it, and I just use this, okay, go to submit page again. It should work. Okay, it's working right now. Now I go to this back button code, right? And this is where the code lies actually. We have a back button code over here. Do we have any source or any script over here? Yeah, there we go. We have a script over here. You can see now we have location.search as a source and attribute dot h reference is called sink. Now what this location.search is doing, basically it accesses the query string in the URL and then URL search param extract the value of the return path from the query, whatever query we inject over here, right? And then this href, basically a attribute, it contains multiple type of URL schemas actually. It can contain HTTPS, mail to, and whatnot, right? And one of them schema is this JavaScript. This is one of the schema that this attribute consists. Therefore, what we gonna do over here? I'll try to put something as for the back button, right? I'll do JavaScript because this href attribute consists this actually, right? And then I just make a note document.cookie and then hit enter. The lab has been solved, right? So again, DOM vulnerability happen. It always happen. You have to look for those sink, because if you are able to identify the sink or vulnerable sink, you could be able to bypass or you could be able to exploit that vulnerability or that sink as well. So DOM based XSS is always about source and sink, right? You can, again, I keep on telling you, it is always about identifying where the vulnerability exists. You can build the script using Hack GPT, Pentest GPT, Chat GPT, or whatsoever, right? The first major concern is how to identify this. So if you like this video, do subscribe to Rayofhope.